Good afternoon from Central Festival Mall in Chiang Mai. This is one of the biggest malls in northern Thailand. It's a great place to spend the afternoon, especially on a hazy day in the smoky season. But it's good anytime, obviously. They do have a service coming here which goes to the city and to the other central malls in the city. So if you're in Chiang Mai and wondering if this place is worth a visit, come on, we'll go and take a look. I'll show you what you can eat and drink, what you can buy, the local shops and the international brands, and what you can do. There's quite a lot of entertainment available here, especially for kids. So it's a good place to come if you've got children. We're just outside the front of the mall now. Here's the very popular Pot Mart. And here's the main entrance. There's a big food hall downstairs, the basement. I'll go there last. Let's head up. Power buy, it's good for appliances. All new stuff. And this is probably the best sports shop in Thailand. Super Sports. They have a huge branch in Bangkok at the MBK. But this is their branch here in Chiang Mai. 40% off Nikes. They always have some deals. Court Vision. Not that cheap, even with 40 off. Air Max XC. Not too bad a price, I suppose, if you knock the 40 off. There's plenty of top brand shops here as well. And the central department store. This is my favourite place for a 20 baht lemonade. Mixu. Lemonade. You have?
Okay. Waiting for order lemonade.
Okay.
10 minutes,นะคะ.
Okay. This is a good place if you want your cell phone repaired. This is the IT zone. They have all the banks here. This is the food court, the food patio. The fun city here. And this is an adventure place. Great for kids, I think. I think this is new. Here's the food patio, the food court. So it's quite a big modern mall. And up on the top there's a cinema somewhere. There's a lot of restaurants up here too. Swenson's Ice Cream, Bonchon. Quite a lot of franchises. This is where the cinema is. So as you can see, this mall is huge. A lot of sales on the ground floor. You always get the sales on the ground floor in the malls. Last, I'm heading down to the basement for the food. This is the last floor. Some great places to eat down here. For eat-in and takeaway. There's also a supermarket down here. The Top Supermarket, which has got great things in there, local and imported. Here's the food court area. There's a good bakery right next to Tops. Quite an extensive food hall. With something for everybody. So that, guys, was Central Festival Mall in Chiang Mai. I'm going out now. So it's a great place to spend the afternoon, especially in March in smoky season. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.